I'm Jason with Smile Mile Painting, and we're just finishing painting this neighborhood. So over here to my right, we painted Columbia Title Company, and we also painted Moonshot Brewery, and of course, we painted the inside of Smile Mile Painting, and then Garland's Gym, we painted that, and now Everstar is getting a complete repaint. So they chose new colors, and today we're repainting the whole exterior, including the metal roof. So one of the things I really enjoy doing is watching experts perform their work. Whether that's professional basketball, professional football, or a sport, or literally just professional working. So these guys are very experts at how to lay the tape, how to lay the paper, how to mask, how to caulk, and literally they can put their finger in little spots to get all the caulking, everything sealed up before we paint. And it's amazing. I'm always amazed to watch and see the new tricks and the new tips that they do and use daily in order to complete the job. And the other thing is the teamwork that they put together is phenomenal. Sometimes I just stand on the sidewalk and just watch it and literally enjoy seeing the team help each other out, literally having a common goal and doing a job efficiently. So as you can see, Jeremiah is doing the caulking on the stucco. So he's making sure to fill all the cracks with caulking to seal up the exterior envelope of this building. And what he needs to do is get this done before the painters come around the corner and apply the paint to the stucco. So it's absolutely amazing watching an expert with that spray gun. After you've sprayed hundreds of gallons, you literally know exactly how to place the wand in order to get the paint in the right spot. And it's important on a building to get all efficient coverage everywhere. We're looking for good coverage and also the amount of millage. With that, whatever type of siding that we're painting, we want the correct millage per the manufacturer's specifications of the product that we're applying. And literally watching these appliers, here, take a look at this here. He literally knows where to set the ladder to be one position ladder so that you're able to maximize your reach. That's from the right to the left. And literally his extension allows him to have a wingspan of like 12 feet. That is the best way to apply the paint.